think it shows up so far on the field. You add to that the fact that for the first time in a long time in Chicago, Jay Cutler's getting some protection. No wonder he's a happy quarterback.
They come in 2-0. Pittsburgh comes in 0-2, and with a lot of issues and a lot of problems. How do they fix them?
Well, let's start with the fact that they have 75 yards rushing on the season now. The Pittsburgh Steelers used to get that in the first half of their games. And I think with any sport, anytime it starts to go bad a little bit, you put the ball in the hands of your superstars and you say, let's go. So tonight, Ben Roethlisberger, these receivers, let's go.
Chicago Bears, Pittsburgh Steelers. That just seems NFL football on Sunday Night Next.
Follow your favorite teams all season long. Go to iTunes.com/NFL. Sunday Night Football is brought to you by Subway, home of the famous $5 footlong. And by Hyundai, new thinking, new possibilities. And in high definition by National Car Rental. Go national, go like a pro.
Dependability is an image problem. Everyone thinks it's dull, quiet, unassuming. But then, all of a sudden, wow, look at the dependability on that one. The beautifully dependable Sonata from Hyundai.
15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Everybody knows that.